I was in my 20s and you couldn't get credit. There was so much that was just unavailable to women as a matter of course, and there wasn't much of a language to object to it.
The choices that I was aware of was that you could be a teacher or a nurse or a secretary.
There was almost no research on women business owners.
In my case, and probably my contemporaries, we were making our own mental notes about what wasn't right, but we were in no position to try to fix it. That came a little later.
When I think of the word independence, I think of the concept of agency.
What does it look like to reimagine a possibility where we too have agency and decision-making and independence?
So much of our independence and agency is made possible by our ties to community and family.
Childcare is an absolute necessity.
More and more women are in the workforce, and yet women continue to be paid significantly less than men.
We have to be talking about money.
I was a worker bee who happened to have a lot of chutzpah.
I'm not one that fails at things. I don't fail at things. So we're gonna work hard at this.
And I realized, well, we would have to pass a law.
We decided to start an organization.
We dreamed up this whole ecosystem.
The world changed. The world absolutely changed. We could barely believe what we had pulled off.
I think it's so critical for women to know in your lifetime, and if not in your mother's lifetime, right, is when this happened. So it's important that we tell the lesson, that people understand it and understand how that then takes us to today and women's impact on the economy more broadly.
If there's not power as a part of a larger group, then individual independence can always be taken away. Working to make a better world, to do that with other people, I don't know what more you could ask for.